Imagine you're standing at a bustling London train station in the late 90s, trying to remember if you locked your front door. Your mind races through dozens of thoughts, but here's the catch. Your memory isn't just a single thing. It's a complex system that connects attention, perception, emotion, and even consciousness itself. What if I told you understanding this maze could change how you learn, remember, and even forget? Let's ditch the dusty memory as a filing cabinet idea. Memory's alive, dynamic, and intertwined with everything you experience. Here's how the experts break it down. Alan Baddeley reports a classic experiment from Cambridge where subjects repeated strings of digits aloud, highlighting that short-term memory holds only about 7 items for seconds. But these numbers aren't just stored. They're actively manipulated, a spark, not a sponge. Picture your brain as a production studio. The working memory is the whiteboard where actors rehearse before the big show. Baddeley's model introduces the visuospatial sketchpad for images and the phonological loop for sounds, both choreographing complex mental juggling acts. At a bustling cafe, your attention selects the voice of your friend amid chatter. Baddeley explains attention as the spotlight controlling what we encode into memory. Without it, memories become foggy. Attention isn't just focus. It's the gatekeeper of what sticks. Ever locked your keys in the car or forgotten a name at a party? Memory slips aren't just frustrating. They reveal how memory works and sometimes how it breaks. Baddeley shares Henry Molaison's story. After brain surgery removed parts of his hippocampus, he couldn't form new explicit memories. Yet his ability to learn new motor skills remained intact, showing memory isn't one single bank but multiple vaults. In a lab at the University of British Columbia, subjects confidently remembered words never said, simply because they fit a pattern. This reveals how memories are reconstructed stories, susceptible to suggestion and error, like a game of telephone with your brain. A study from Cambridge proves that when a high school reunion triggered strong emotions, attendees recalled certain events with vividness and distortion. Emotion acts like a magnifying glass, sharpening some memories while warping others, making truth slippery. Now here's the brain's undercover agent, implicit memory. It runs backstage, shaping how you learn and behave without you even noticing. In the 1990s, Baddeley recounts how consciousness became a scientific playground. Philosophers and neuroscientists debated what it means to know versus remember. This set the stage for hidden layers of memory operating beneath our conscious radar. At a London hospital, patients improved on complex puzzles over days, yet denied ever seeing them before. This is implicit learning. Your brain collects clues without your notice, like a sponge soaking knowledge while pretending it's dry. The book distinguishes recollecting, a vivid past event versus just knowing you've experienced something. This subtle split between conscious recall and unconscious familiarity nuances our understanding of identity and memory's weird, wonderful landscape. Remember that London station scene? Now you see memory isn't just about recalling facts. It's a dance between focus, emotion, and hidden processes. Next time you struggle to remember, try focusing your attention consciously. Nudge your working memory to help you out. Memory's not a fixed vault. It's your brain's wild, fascinating stage. Own it. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.